Hello from Anar Solar of Derry, New Hampshire, and welcome to the video presentation for our entry in the Solar Prize 5 set round. Please watch our previous video from the Ready round for more background information on our company and our technology. As you may know, solar development on landfills is increasing in popularity throughout the United States and around the world. Unfortunately, current racking and ballast methods using traditional concrete blocks cannot be used on the sloped landfill surfaces, as gravity will cause them to slide over time, which would damage the sloped terrain. As a result, the landfill's large slope surface areas cannot be developed, meaning power production and developer ROI cannot be maximized. However, Anar Solar has solved this problem by developing a patented approach which can be used on a landfill's side slopes up to a 40% slope, which exceeds the 33% slope that is the typical regulatory maximum used when closing a landfill. By using the previously unusable landfill slopes, Anar Solar can improve production by an average of 23% or more depending on the site. In many cases, landfills are heavily and often entirely sloped, which means development using traditional means may not make for a financially viable project or be possible to develop at all. This slide shows an actual site that cannot be developed using traditional means, but 18 megawatts are possible by using the Anar Solar approach. Our solution includes two patented products, our unique racking system and our surface ballast system that contours to the slope without damage to the slope or to the protective cap. And this capability is unique to Anar Solar in the industry. But landfill applications are new to Anar Solar, as we've previously sold multiple residential and commercial installations. What was lacking is a low impact and efficient way to work on a landfill's steep and difficult slope terrain. But now, Anar Solar has developed an innovative distribution system using adjustable flatbed carts riding on a light gauge track powered by a hydraulic winch system. The winch is mounted on a backhoe or front-end loader positioned at the top of the slope, and the drop line is lowered and affixed to the carts. The carts are loaded repeatedly with track sections and ballast tubes that will be put in place 4 across as the winch pulls the cart up the hill. The flowable fill will be pumped into the ballast tubes as the process is repeated. When the ballast tubes are in place, the racking materials, modules, inverters, and other components will be delivered in the same sequential way, and assembly of the arrays will commence from the top down. As the array lines are completed, the entire distribution system will be moved laterally across the face of the slope, and the process will be repeated. Another important development is that Anar Solar has a verbal agreement in place to use an EPA Superfund site located in Farmington, New Hampshire, as the location for our pilot project. It will be a temporary installation, as the use of flowable fill as ballast means that it can be flushed and suctioned out as the arrays are dismantled. Over the past few months, we've made excellent use of the American-made connector network to add the competencies in engineering, manufacturing, procurement, legal, and business strategy that we lack as a small startup company. As for the size of our target market, this graph shows the total number of landfill solar projects nationwide from 2010 through 2019. If we project this trend forward and estimate 175 nationwide projects in 2023, and also estimate that Anar Solar participates in a small 5% of those projects through an increase of a conservative 1.25 megawatts per site, that alone equates to almost 11 gigawatts of power produced in 1 year, along with the additional financial gain for developers through increased power generation and resale, tax incentives, and SREC values. And these estimates don't even include the many sites that are not viable projects or cannot be developed at all without our approach. We recently strengthened our management team through the addition of Tim Bradley, who will head up our business development initiatives. Lastly, we've started a new company called Landfill Solar Corporation as a benefit company and a subsidiary of Anar Solar. As part of its mission statement, Landfill Solar will strive to improve the communities that we serve by employing underserved members of the workforce and by utilizing the skills of veterans for installation crew leadership and manufacturing. On behalf of the Anar Solar management team, I'd like to thank you for your interest in our products and our business model, and for your support in this round of the Solar Prize 5 Technology Challenge.